less than a month to go for historic elections in Jammu and Kashmir, political temperatures are soaring in the Union Territory. Just a day before nomination for Phase 1 ends, the India bloc has sealed the seat-sharing deal after Congress troubleshooters KC Venugopal and Salman Khurshid personally reached out to Abbas to chalk out the differences. And the India bloc partners will fight together in 85 of the 90 seats, with the National Conference contesting on 51 seats and the Congress in 32. 2 seats have been given to alliance partners CPIM and the Panther Party. The remaining 5 seats, there will be a friendly fight between the NC and Congress, an idea that initially the Grand Old Party was opposed to. Now, while India bloc has ironed out its differences, it seems all is well in the BJP camp. The BJP initially released a list of 44 candidates for the 3-phase election, but deleted it within hours after protests and unhappiness by certain sections who felt that turncoats had been chosen over party loyalists. The BJP then released a fresh list with only 15 names and followed it up with another list of 1 candidate. And 3 key names that are missing from the previous and the new list are that of party's Jammu and Kashmir President Ravinder Raina and former Deputy Chief Ministers Nirmal Singh and Kavinder Gupta.
बहुत खुशी की बात है जो हम लोगों ने मुहिम शुरू की थी कि हम दोनों जमातें मिलके उन ताकतों के खिलाफ लड़े जो यहाँ लोगों को बांटने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, न सिर्फ रियासत में बल्कि सारे मुल्क में। और हिंदुस्तान इंडियन गठबंधन जो है वो बना इसीलिए कि हम लोग उन फोर्सेस को जो कम्युनल डिवाइड और मुल्क को टुकड़ा करना चाहते हैं उनसे लड़ेगा।
The general idea is to protect the soul of the Kashmir. Because on one side BJP is trying to destroy the soul of Jammu and Kashmir. India Alliance main objective is to save the soul of the Kashmir, save Jammu and Kashmir. So that is why Congress and National Conference coming together to make a government in Jammu Kashmir which is totally friendly with Jammu Kashmir people, totally save the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
कितना मुश्किल था इस नेगोशिएशन को कांग्रेस के साथ कंप्लीट करना और कितना जरूरी था?
अगर आसान होता तो 4-5 दिन पहले ही मुकम्मल किया गया होता। कल आखिरी दिन है नॉमिनेशन फाइल करने का। आज सूरज डूबने के बाद हमने अपने अलायंस को जो है फाइनल शेप दिया। इससे जाहिर होता है कि कांग्रेस के लिए भी कुछ मुश्किलात पेश आए, हमारे लिए भी कुछ परेशानियां सामने आई और कोशिश हमारे तरफ से ये रही कि हम कम से कम सीटों पे जो है आपस में झगड़ा रखें। मुझे लगता है अगर 90 में से सिर्फ 5 ऐसी सीटें हैं जहां पे हम फ्रेंडली कॉन्टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा, तो जिन लोगों ने इस बातचीत को आगे बढ़ाया कांग्रेस के तरफ से, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के तरफ से, ये उनकी कामयाबी है।
After multiple rounds of talks, National Conference and Congress has finally sealed the seat sharing arrangement for Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly elections. National Conference will be contesting on 51 seats while Congress has got 32 seats. 1 seat has been given to CPIM and 1 seat has been given to Panthers Party. There will be a friendly contest on 5 assembly segments which are largely based in Kashmir Valley. There were multiple rounds of talks, but today in the morning, Congress has sent its troubleshooter KC Venugopal, the organization general secretary, to Srinagar. Salman Khurshid was also camping in Srinagar from past few days to hold talks with Abdullah. Today there were 2 rounds of talks between the Congress leadership and Abdullah here in Srinagar at the residence of Dr. Farooq Abdullah. And after these talks, this late evening, the National Conference and Congress has finally concluded them and arrived at a decision. The seat sharing arrangement is done. Congress will be fighting on 32 seats, National Conference on 51, and importantly there will be a friendly contest on 5 assembly segments in Jammu and Kashmir.